Hi, my name's Jake, and this is my 2020 LA project. Green Machine is produced by Arctic Cat. The model is the Wildcat Limited. Green Machine is a two-seater side-by-side that is powered by a 700cc engine. So now that I've showed you the exterior of Green Machine, now I'm going to show you how to get in it. And it's not like a typical car door. You reach in here and you push something and it comes out like this. Okay, now that you're in Green Machine, you got the typical like car things like a gear, the lights, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, 2 pedals, the steering wheel, the gauge, pretty much everything you would have in a car, even a rear view mirror for when you're driving backwards. The window does pop up if you want more air. You also have vents in the back to release some air while you're driving. Green Machine is very fast, and usually when you're riding Green Machine, it's very bumpy. So the passenger holds on to this handle on the door and this giant stick right next to the passenger, and it's not the shifter. Now it's time for a ride, and always safety first. To start it, you need to hold down the brake and turn the key. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your ride on Green Machine. Hope you have a good summer. Peace. Thing. I'm doing this project because 1, I have to, and 2, it's gonna be fun.